Hey, Mike from Dirtydog here. I am going to show you how to install our new roll bar covers on the Jeep Gladiator JT, as it's called, the new Jeep pickup. So I found the roll bar covers people are asking for them. We've got a nice set of roll bar covers for the Gladiator. So it's a really simple install. 2 zippers goes on. I don't think I need the video to show you, but you guys will figure it out. But it's easy to go. There's a left and a right. We've already installed the passenger side, so we're just going to install the driver's side. So follow along here and we'll show you the way it goes. You've got your cutouts, you got your curved back. It's pretty easy to see how it's going to go on. So we're just going to lay the back piece on first. I find throwing the back piece on first is sometimes easiest. You're just going to sit inside the vehicle, line your zippers up, zipper down in place. The bottom here is just a Velcro for the very last bit underneath the seatbelt. It's just going to go underneath the seatbelt. You don't want to tuck your seatbelt in. That tucks in there. If you're a soft top user, you're going to have the cutouts here for your soft top around. For hard top users, you're not going to have these cutouts. If you are a combination soft top, hard top, you can buy the soft top version only and it'll work with both. So this one here, just showing you what the soft top cutouts. And we'll go around the front section here. Same thing in the front, you're just wrapping around, connecting your zippers. And that's it. The zipper that hangs out at the end, you're just going to fold it underneath and tuck it under itself. The Velcro closure at the top, close it in. And there you go, your roll bar covers are installed. Very easy to install. Have a great day, guys.